Any adjournment requests? Any other request?
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention for listening of a review petition, my Lord.
Sir, please move an application to the registry.
My Lord, we have moved in, we filed an application in the month of December, my Lord.
Application review, not review application for early listing, requesting that matter may be listed at an early date. Will pass an order on administratives.
Daily list for orders item 1.
Cost.
No steps have been taken.
My lord, the respondent, he has expired. My lord, stage was taken twice because that has been returned.
Then
That
what
is why I
remains-
have instructed the officer concerned to make an inquiry regarding his address.
After his, he expired, what remains in the matter?
Yes, my lord, that nothing is remained, my lord.
Then we'll.
The payment of compensation which was directed to be paid to the, my lord, respondent, my lord, that has become infractious, my lord. That observation may be made. My
How
lord.
much in
1 lakh, my lord.
1 lakh?
My lord.
Have you already paid?
No, my lord.
Then
That has been challenged here, my lord. Because of the negligence on the part of the deputy commissioner, the compensation was, my lord, directed to be paid, my lord.
compensation to whom?
To the petition, my lord, writ petition.
The writ petitioner, and now he is expired.
My lord, he expired and his parent is also no more, my lord.
His parent, nobody is legal heirs, no,
Yes.
no legal heirs.
No, my lord.
That case also, how can this petition, because order is in his favor. Whatever who are the
Order-
legal heirs, they are entitled for that compensation.
He do not have, my lord. He was unmarried, my lord.
Isn't it?
Either he may have some sister or brother,
Brothers.
they may claim.
My lord, the notice was, my lord, served to his elder brother. His elder brother is living separately and
Whatever it may be, even though if the elder brother is
But he
alive,
did not
then he
appear.
is entitled for that compensation. You can't
My
say
lord,
again, nobody is entitled.
compensation, my lord,
You
because
bring the legal representatives of that person on record who has expired.
once again, I will take steps to his elder brother, my lord, then in that.
You bring, first of all, if he expired, then you have to bring the legal representative, then only notice will go. Okay, then a concept of as per the office report, the notice issued to the respondent number 1 remain unserved. However, the concept of the appellant has submitted that as per his information, the respondent, the sole respondent has expired. Full stop. In this event, learned counsel for the appellant is directed to bring on record record an application for bringing the legal representatives of the deceased respondent on record. 2 weeks time is granted for the same,
Right.
just after 2 weeks.
God bless.
Item 2.
This,
May it please the Lordship, my Lordship was pleased to issue notice on 10/3, my lord.
Unserved.
2 and 3, my lord, I have to, he is appearing for
I
1,
am
my lord.
appearing for
Two and-
respondent 1 lot.
one, what about 2 and 3?
2 and 3, my lord, Lordship will kindly permit me to take steps, my lord.
Was we have already ordered for this. On 10/3/2025, we have not taken
I
any
am not taking
steps.
steps, I'm sorry, my lord.
Legal and counsel appearing for the appellant please a week's time to take steps for service of notice upon the answered respondents as directed by this court on 10/3/2025. इसमें लिख देना Mr. So and so for respondent. On taking such steps that notices be issued to the sole respondents returnable to the answered respondents returnable 4 weeks 6 weeks thereafter.
Item 3.
No steps.
Sir, I'd like to withdraw this appeal.
Wants to withdraw this IA. Consequently, the IA is withdrawn. Consequently, the writ appeal number 14933/2024 filing number है?
Filing
It's a
number.
filing number is also dismissed as withdrawn.
Item 4.
Obligation.
They're also delayed. Hmm.
No, I'm appealing for the sole respondent.
You are
Week's
not-
time, I'm praying for a week's time. I'm praying for a week's time to file my objections.
You are serious in opposing this?
My lord,
Or what?
I am, my lord, my lord. They have calculated the delay from the disposal of the review petition. No appeal rights against the orders passed in the review petition, my lord. Calculate from date of the
Counsel
writ petition will
appealing
come
for
to
the-
11.
Counsel appealing for the sole respondent.
Sole respondent.
Yes.
Sole respondent pays some time to file counter to the IA. Time period for his granted list up 2 weeks.
My lord, obligation.
Item 5.
Condemnation of delay, my lord.
Steps
As
are
official
taken.
respondents, we don't have any objection to it.
You have got respondent number 1 to 6.
1 to 6, my lord.
And what about 7?
7.
Notice was issued, my lord.
And my lord, they have not asked any relief
No
against.
relief against the respondent number 7 as such, my lord.
It's a writ petition or
Read appeal, my lord. Read appeal, my lord. It has
We
to,
have to
My lord.
get the notice, sir.
Right.
PK Learned Counsel. As per the office report, notices issued to the respondent number 1 to 6 has been duly served. Mr. Gogoi put in appearance on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 6. Await return of notice steps. You have not taken any steps. Learned Counsel for the applicant is directed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 7 by registered post with AP within next 7 days as directed within 7 days as directed by this court on 12/3/2025. On taking such steps, the notices be issued to the respondent number 7 returnable. So and so.
obligation.
My lord, the Chief Justice, my lord. My lord, I congratulate your lordship for your lordship's elevation to the Supreme Court.
Thanks a lot.
In fact, my lord, when your lordship joined as a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Guwahati High Court, my lord, we have seen your lordship with a smiling face at 10:30, and when your lordship is rising again a smiling face, although we have, as a lawyers, have not left any stone unturned to make your lordship angry and my lord lose his calm.
Not at all.
But in turn, my lord, your lordship has made us smile and my lord to make us calm. My lord, Guwahati High Court has the tradition of sending the Chief Justices to the Supreme Court, and I think this is 7th or 8th.
Yeah.
And I think, my lord, although I don't have the orthodox feeling, but the anti-tax series is also one of the regions of whoever, my lord, has tried to touch it, my lord, is elevated to the Supreme Court. I think if the next one is the same, my lord, we will take it that the anti-tax series has to remain pending for all the time to come. My lord, your lordship, knowledge of law, my lord, is reflected in the various judgments of the which are reportable, unreportable, my lord. And with all laws, my lord, whether civil, criminal, whether it is taxation. And I think with such vast knowledge, my lord, your lordship will certainly be a richer, make the Supreme Court a richer, although we are sorry that your lordship is reaching, but we are also proud that your lordship is going to Supreme Court, my lord. And I'm sure, my lord, that whenever your lordship will come to Assam again, although because your lordship whenever visited the Assam, that was an official trip. But this time when your lordship will come, it should be a pleasure trip. And your lordship will always, my lord, treat it as also a parent high court, not as a Rajasthan, my lord, equivalent to the Guwahati High Court also. And your lordship will also treat us and give us guide always, my lord. And whenever your lordship will visit the High Court, my lord, this place, your lordship will give the opportunity to us to meet. And I'm really, my lord, grateful to your lordship for the whatever your lordship has done for the High Court for the last so many years. May, my lord, I pray God that your lordship, shower all the blessings on your lordship, not only for the Supreme Court, for future also. And Madam Vishnu also with us. I once again congratulate your lordship for your.
Just, as we all know, under this circumstances, a formal farewell reference could not be held. Anyway, my lord, on behalf of the state of
Because
Assam
still-
and the
That notification is also
My lord.
not out.
Anyway, my lord, on
That is the
behalf of the state of Assam and the office of the Advocate General, I congratulate your lordship on your lordship's elevation to the Honorable Supreme Court of India. And I pray that your lordship will perform very well as your lordship has performed here in the Supreme Court also. And I wish a very good health in future.
My lord, your lordship, my lord, we really will, we miss your lordship. But equally, it is a very proud moment for us that your lordship elevated to a higher court. Our good wishes and blessing always with your lordship. And I pray to Almighty, I give your lordship good and sound health, my lord. Thank you.
Lordship at the outset, congratulations and best wishes to your Lordship. And indeed, just in an interaction Lordship had indicated maybe last year, Lordship assumed office under His Lordship Amitabha Roy.
Yeah.
Lordship has taken oath under Justice Amitabha Roy. And the same judge is here today and is also leaving us for a elevation. And now, Lordship, I very often say that what we look forward to a good judge is the ability to hear. And that is there, we have found it in your Lordship. And Lordship, whatever the matter, of late, Lordship, I can say in my 27 years, Lordship has been the most patient judge. Lordship has been the most patient judge. And Lordship, all the best from the Union of India and from my personal side, Lordship.
On a lighter note, I've been paid for that. Okay, but in fact, I treat myself very fortunate to be here in the Guwahati High Court. I learned a lot from all of you, and I enjoyed my time here. I had a great time. In fact, I'll remember all of you till my life. And what I'm saying that you people are very, 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 very decent, and your pleadings are very good. And really, I've learned a lot from you. Anyway, if anybody is hurt by my oral observation or my gesture, I'm sorry for that. I had no intention for that, but it may happen because now, after all, we all are human beings. But I've enjoyed a great time here, and I'll remember you, all of you. Mr. Saraf was telling you, whenever you visit, certainly I'll visit, sir. How can you say whenever you visit? I'll certainly, I'll visit you.
There's so much work in this.
No, with the blessings of the Ma Kamakya,
Right.
I've achieved all these things, and certainly I'll visit. Certainly I'll visit, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.